We're learning high drama has been seen in Bengal Assembly. BJP MLAs were seen protesting and they said that they were not allowed to speak. Well, the BJP MLAs were later dragged out as well of the assembly. Those visuals on your TV screens, Mamata Banerjee here has said that she won't allow the BJP to win in Bengal. However, there has been much sloganeering that has taken place between the TMC, by the TMC and the BJP in the Bengal Assembly, after which we understand the BJP MLAs were dragged out of the assembly. Listen into what Mamata Banerjee has to say.
বাংলা ভাষার উপর সন্ত্রাস করার জন্য, অত্যাচার করার জন্য স্যার এমন একদিন আসবে যেদিন বাংলার মানুষ একটা বিজেপিকেও এখানে দেখতে চাইবে না। বাংলার উপর অত্যাচার করে সব কটা হারবে, সব কটা হারবে, সব কটা হারবে। বাংলার ভাষা সন্ত্রাসের উপর অত্যাচার করে বাংলা ভাষায় যেটা যায় না, বাংলায় যেটা যায় না, এটা মনে রাখবেন। একই জিনিস আমি পার্লামেন্টে দেখেছি, আমাদের এমএলএদের এমপিদের গায়ে হাত তোলা হয়েছে, সিআইএসএফ ঢোকানো হয়েছে, বিএসএফ ঢোকানো হয়েছে, আমাদের লোকেদের মারা হয়েছে। আমরা সেটা করব না, তার কারণ এই বাংলা নবজাগরণের বাংলা, এই বিধানসভা সংস্কারের বাংলা, এই বাংলা আম্বেদকরের বাংলা, এই বাংলা নেতাজির বাংলা, এই বাংলা রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের বাংলা, এই বাংলা মৌলানা আবুল কালাম আজাদের আদর্শের বাংলা, এই বাংলা রবীন্দ্র নজরুলের বাংলা, এই বাংলা স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের বাংলা, এই বাংলা রামকৃষ্ণের বাংলা। এই বাংলা মনে রাখবেন, এই বাংলার মানুষ স্বাধীনতা আন্দোলনে রক্ত দিয়েছে। এদের তো তখন জন্মই হয়নি, এদের পার্টি তখন জন্মই হয়নি।
He's being taken to Kalyani AIIMS.
The marshal and the security personnel, all are Gunda, TMC cadre.
Two MLAs have been
They brutally attacked and physically assaulted and injured Chief Whip Opposition Shankar Ghosh.
All right, the BJP alleging that the BJP chief whip was injured amid this uproar that broke out. Mamata Banerjee has accused the centre, accused the BJP here of being anti-Bengal and also blocking discussions on alleged harassment of Bengalis. This is what she says. My colleague Shreyasi also now joins us on the broadcast here. Shreyasi, what can you tell us? What happened inside the assembly? Why were the MLAs from the BJP dragged out?
Well, unprecedented scenes unfolded inside the Vidhan Sabha here in Kolkata. Not before that the ambulance had to be brought in when a special session was called by the West Bengal government here, and the discussion was to take place on the language issue as also the migrant issue that the Trinamool Congress has been raising over the past 1 month here in West Bengal. But there was utter chaos when the Chief Minister rose to speak. The BJP MLA started raising slogans. There were slogans exchanged between the BJP and the TMC, and it reached a level where the speaker had to call in the marshal and remove the chief whip from the house inside, and he was dragged out by the marshals as the BJP MLAs tried to guard the marshals to not reach their chief whip. The ambulance was called in to take Shankar Ghosh, who is a BJP MLA, and the chief whip to AIIMS Kalyani, where he will be receiving treatment. In the past, we have not witnessed such unruly scenes inside the Legislative Assembly here in West Bengal, and in the crux of this is the political fight between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress over the migrant workers. On one hand, the Trinamool Congress has been blaming the BJP-led centre of attacking Bengali-speaking migrant workers in BJP-ruled states, while the BJP has been rubbishing these allegations. And with elections here next year, of course, the BJP and the Trinamool Congress leaving no stone unturned to get their voices heard to the people. But what unfolded inside the Vidhan Sabha today has never been witnessed before, and the Chief Minister was disrupted multiple times. The speaker intervened, but none of the MLAs paid heed. Both the TMC and the BJP MLAs were exchanging slogans. There was a verbal spat.
Yes,
There
massive
were
drama.
unruly scenes.
Massive
Marshals
drama
have been brought in,
unfolded in the
security
West
unit
Bengal
has been brought
Assembly.
in.
We've seen those visuals. We're playing it out for our viewers here on our TV screens. We understand there was huge sloganeering from both the sides, and the BJP has also claimed that the BJP chief whip was also injured during this. All right, those visuals coming in from inside the assembly. All right, Shreyasi.